regardless of, or no matter. No matter, and regardless, are both used to convey the idea of something being unaffected by a particular condition or circumstance. However, there are some subtle differences in how they are used. No matter is often used in sentences that express a generalization or a universal truth. It is used to indicate that something is always true, regardless of any particular situation or condition. For example, no matter how hard I try, I can't seem to lose weight. No matter what time of day it is, he's always working. No matter how much money you have, you can't buy happiness. In these examples, no matter is used to express an unchanging truth that is not dependent on any specific circumstance. On the other hand, regardless is often used to express a specific situation or circumstance in which something is not affected by a particular condition. It is used to indicate that something is true despite a particular condition or circumstance. For example, I'm going to the beach regardless of the weather. He continued working, regardless of his exhaustion. She's going to the party regardless of what anyone else thinks. In these examples, regardless is used to express a specific situation in which something is not affected by a particular condition or circumstance. In summary, no matter is often used to express a universal truth, while regardless is often used to express a specific situation in which something is not affected by a particular condition. However, the two can often be used interchangeably in many contexts.